How many states are there in India?
28.
What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Amravati.
Assam,
Dispur.
Bihar,
Patna.
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur.
Goa,
Panaji.
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar.
Karnataka,
Bengaluru.
Maharashtra,
Mumbai.
తెలంగాణ చెప్పు,
Hyderabad.
తమిళనాడు,
Chennai.
రాజస్థాన్, జైపూర్.
Jaipur.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national tree?
Pen.
Tree.
Banana.
Very, very good. How many colors are there in our flag?
Tree.
What is that? Colors?
Orange, white, green.
Very good.